Do you get leg cramps with bridge pose? Then you'll want to stick around for these tips. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maura and I'm a physical therapist and certified yoga teacher. Today I'll be sharing my best tips to alleviate painful and annoying leg cramps during bridge pose. Bridge pose or bridges are a common movement for strengthening the hip extensors in both yoga and fitness. And they're also one of the most common exercises that people complain of leg cramps, usually in the hamstrings, but can also be in the calves and the feet. There are many factors that can make you prone to leg cramps. For example, dehydration, muscle weakness, electrolyte imbalances, some underlying medical conditions. But one of the biggest culprits in bridge pose is poor form. So let me show you what I mean and my best tips to fix this. So I'll just come into a bridge pose, laying down on my back, a basic bridge. So the first thing is you want to make sure that the feet are not too far away from you or too close. Muscles work best in mid ranges, and asking them to work outside of this sometimes results in cramps or injury. Now, my best trick for alleviating cramps is to actually push through the heel. And you can even exaggerate this by lifting up the toes and just making sure that you're pushing through the heel and not the forefoot and the toes. If you try both, you can definitely feel the difference in how well you can engage the back of the body. If I try to do this on my toes, it's very awkward and I feel it kind of through my back, I feel it in my calves and in my feet. But if I make a conscious effort to press into the heels and engage the glutes, I can really feel the difference in how my body is using this movement. The glutes are the most powerful hip extensors. The hamstrings can help with hip extension, but they're mostly focused on flexing the knee. They can't do as good of a job as the glutes as hip extension. So when the glutes are weak and you try to compensate with hamstrings, then you can run into problems. This simple trick often gives you better movement patterns and can avoid annoying leg cramps. Leave a comment below and let me know if this tip helped you, and if you have any other requests. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more health, fitness, yoga, and injury prevention content. See you next time.